Court is now in session. Please be seated.
Hi, my name is Naim Alton Joseph. I'm in grade 8, and everyone's just moving the desk to get sort of like the feel of a real court inside our classroom.
So we're setting up the judge over here.
I'm going to be a defense lawyer in the mock trial.
We're going to do one practice run. Is everyone paying attention?
Hi, I'm Karen Rustuel. I'm an Ojibwe woman from Doki's First Nation. We're here today at the First Nations School of Toronto with the grades 7 and 8 students for a mock trial as part of the Dare to Dream program, an initiative that was organized by the Canadian Lawyers Abroad. It's to promote a legal career as an option for the kids.
Okay, lawyers, witnesses, juries.
I'm Destiny Taylor. I am a defense lawyer also, and I'm making the opening statement.
All parties rise.
I'm nervous because if you forget a line that is really important to the case, it might ruin everything. And I kind of stayed up late last night. My hands hurt from writing down so much to try to get ready for this.
Today you're going to hear about two young men, Jared Cakebannock and Dylan Desmillan. Dylan is charged with assault causing bodily harm.
Dylan Desmillan, how do you plead? Guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty.
When we first started working with the Aboriginal youth here at the school, the first question that I threw to them was, how many children here have a lawyer in their family? And there was only one hand that was lifted. And I wasn't surprised, because the reality is that only in the last 20 years, I would say even maybe 10 to 15 years, have Aboriginal people become engaged in the legal system in a professional capacity.
Please state your name for the court.
Jared Cakebannock.
Do you swear that the evidence you are about to give shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
I put on a lawyer's robe that they gave me, so this experience would be more authentic.
I'm wearing a robe, and I feel so cool in it.
It's black, long, flowy, big open sleeves.
It makes me feel bigger. I feel ready for the job now.
I feel like a real lawyer.
Okay, thank you, everyone. I'm Harry Laforme. I'm a judge on the Ontario Court of Appeal. In fact, I'm the first Aboriginal judge ever appointed to any appellate court in the history of Canada, which I'm very proud of.
Justice Laforme will be presiding over the simulated trial that we're holding today.
I was born and pretty much raised on my reserve, and I split my time from the reserve to some of the nastier parts of the city that we grew up in. I see myself in these children. Are counsel ready to proceed with closing arguments?
I believe that there's a lot of reasonable doubt that Dylan Desmillan did the crime, and I hope and trust that you'll make the right decision on the charge. Thank you. That's it.
Now, members of the jury, it's going to be in your hands.
I just hope it's a fair jury and not biased. If they say he's guilty, then I'm going to ask for an appeal.
Thank you, juries present.
Based on the evidence presented before us, we, the jury, pronounce Mr. Dylan Desmillan not guilty of all charges.
The defense rules. I just wanted to scream woo, I pwned you.
Yeah, I won. It was amazing. So yeah, I'm pretty proud of myself.
I want to thank you students. Boy, you guys did just an absolutely marvelous job. I only hope that some of you, even one of you, decide to do this as a profession, because if this is any example of what you're going to be like, you guys are going to be terrific.
When I was younger, I wanted to be a lawyer, and now I even want to even more. It's really opened my eyes to the opportunities I have for college and university and stuff like that.
Well, if my whole thing that I want to do, become a zoologist, doesn't work out, then yeah, maybe I'll be a lawyer.
Court's adjourned.